Hello students of class 11. Today I'm going to start with the sea floor spreading. The sea floor spreading may be defined as an extending or stretching of the sea floor. It is a process that occurs at the mid-oceanic regions where a new oceanic crust is formed through the volcanic activity and then gradually moves away from the ridge. Sea floor spreading helps to explain the continental drift theory and the plate theory of the plate tectonics too. Okay, it occurs when two plates move apart. As the plate moves away, the rocks break and form a crack between the two plates, which leads to the occurrence of the earthquakes along the plate boundary. Okay, and the magma rises up through the crack. Sometimes it builds up the volcano and this on the sea floor. Now let us see what is a mid-oceanic ridge. Okay, mid-oceanic ridge or a mid-ocean ridge is an underwater mountain range formed by the plate tectonics. This uplifting of the ocean floor occurs when the convection current rises in the mantle beneath the oceanic crust and create the magma where two tectonic plates meet at a divergent plate boundary. Now I am going to show you an animated video based on this sea floor spreading. So this is a video which is showing the lithospheric plates move away due to the convection in the mantle and the asthenosphere region and the slab pool at the distance margin of the plate. You can see then what happens, the mantle rocks migrates upwards at the shallow depth and the low pressure small pods of the magma forms and also rise. The new crust is created by intruding magmas and the lava erupting on the ocean floor as the plate moves apart. The plates diverge at about say 3 to 10 centimeters per year. So here you can see when the magma is rising up, here a new oceanic plate, the new ridge is forming and it is going farther away. The older rocks are moving away from the ridge and a newer crust is forming in this portion. So this is how the sea floor spreading occurs in the divergent plate boundary and the mid-oceanic ridges are formed. The next is subduction. So what is a subduction? Subduction is a geological process that takes place at the convergent boundary of the tectonic plates where one plate moves under another and is forced to sink due to the high gravitational potential energy into the mantle, and the regions where this process occurs are known as the subduction zone. So here in this picture you can see that at the divergent plate boundary, so this is a convergent plate boundary, and here you can see one plate is moving under another plate and it is forced to sink down deeper inside the mantle. Okay, and this region we are calling it as the subduction zone. You can see in the video that I am marking it with the red portion. So this is the region where the subduction is occurring, means where the plate is going deeper inside the mantle and going when one plate moves under another, means when the one plate is going down or going under another plate, or when the one plate is rising over the another plate. So this is the region we are calling it as the subduction or the subduction zone. This concept of this sea floor spreading was developed by H.M. Hess, who was an American geologist, and in the year 1960, and this theory tried to explain how the continents move. Okay, but the British geologists J.F. Vine and D.H. Matthews proved the theory of the sea floor spreading. So there are some evidences that are put forward in support of this theory. First one is that the samples of the deep ocean floor show that the basaltic oceanic crust and the overlying sediment on it become progressively younger as the mid-oceanic crust is approached, and the sediment that is covered, this is thinner near the ridge, but when it is moving away from the ridge, it is thicker. Next evidence is that the rocks making up the ocean floor is considerably younger than that of the continent. So some samples have been taken, and from there it is found that the ocean floors are merely 200 million years old, whereas the continental rocks are more older, say about 300 million years than the ocean floor. So this confirms that the older rock crust has been reabsorbed in the oceanic trench system. Okay, and the third and the final evidence is that it is being presented by an accurate measurement which has been given by the global positioning system, and this confirms that the sea floor spreading is occurring. So this is all about the sea floor spreading. So thank you everybody.